McGregor Point is a provincial park in southwestern Ontario. It is quite picturesque. It's very quiet, more of a forest type campground. This is the drive into our campsite. It is a very large provincial park. It has three separate camping areas. And if you like peace and quiet and a secluded spot, McGregor Point is quite applicable in that sense. All the campsites are separated by a fair bit of greenery. As far as access, we had no trouble getting in with our 24-foot motorhome. However, I think if you were driving a larger vehicle, you might have some issues. Our campsite was quite spacious. You can pull in with ease. There's lots of room on the left side with the fire pit, the picnic table, and as you can see, my wife lounging in a very nice, comfortable spot. The facilities are really good. They were very clean, and there was lots of them throughout the campground. The showers were clean and had lots of hot water. Throughout, there's a drinking station and hand washing stations. Trails of many, and boardwalks to the beach, and lots of opportunities to photograph. A play area for the kids by the beach. The beach is fairly secluded in a little cove, just like this, and it's fairly sandy. Lots of photography opportunities, like this ham, and water sports. Lots of folks out on their kayaks and such, and more photo opportunities. Lots to do in this park. This is located on Lake Huron, and this is the view from my drone. And as you can see, it's quite wooded, but it is a beautiful park, especially if you like peace and quiet. There was lots of folks walking their dogs and riding their bikes. If I had any complaints about this park, one of them would be the firewood was expensive and didn't burn very much at all. It was soft wood, a lot of bark in the bag, and hadn't been stored for very long because it was very hard to get it to burn. The second thing is lots of folks don't respect the speed limits, so there's a fair amount of dust. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and look forward to future campground reviews and lots of my other videos. Thanks a lot.